Lesson 2, quarter notes and rests, half and whole notes and rests. First, let's talk about quarter notes and rests. You can call this note value the basic beat or pulse when playing music. When your band director counts the band in, 1, 2, 3, 4, play, generally that's going to be the quarter note value at the tempo they want. So let's look at exercises 1, 2, and 3 on page 13. They have a time signature of 4/4. As you learned from the previous lesson in the music theory tidbits, this means that there are 4 beats or pulses to each measure. So let's play through these 3 exercises, playing a full stroke on each beat with a note and resting 1 beat where we see a rest, that sideways flying bird symbol. Okay, so here we go with exercise number 1. Let's play each of these 2 times through, counting out loud as we go and using the full stroke. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Here's exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now remember, when playing these exercises, to try and strike the drum at exactly the same time you hear the click, the groove track, or whatever tempo reference you're using. This will help in developing good time or keeping a good solid tempo. Now, we'll play exercises 4 and 5, and as you can see, these are in 3/4 time, which means there are 3 beats per measure. So we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll play each of these 1 time through, and I'm going to give you 3 clicks in front of that, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Here's exercise number 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, exercise number 6 is in 5/4 time. You're not going to see 5/4 time much throughout the toolbox or in your band music, but we wanted to throw you a little challenge. You think you can do it? I bet you can. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to give you 5 preparatory beats before this one. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we'll talk about note duration and counting. As you should know by now, a half note receives 2 counts and a whole note receives 4 counts. Now, when a horn player plays a half note, they have the capability to hold that note out for the entire duration of the 2 counts, whereas a snare drummer plays a half note and only the short attack is heard. Now, we're going to ask Slide Brooks to demonstrate for us, Mr. Brooksy and his trombone here. What we're going to do is, we're going to play a half note. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play a half note, and he's going to play the same half note. Are you ready, Mr. Brooksy? Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Excellent. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off. Whoo. Wasn't that beautiful? Now we're going to do the same thing with a whole note, okay? 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Ah, beautiful tone, beautiful tone. Thank you, Slide. We appreciate it. Okay, so as you can hear, the quarter note, half, and whole notes all sound the same when played on a snare drum. The drummer's way of giving value to the entire note is done with rolls, and we'll get to that later on in the book. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Great job. Now remember to keep that solid pulse no matter the time signature and play with a solid tempo sound source, whether it be a click track or your groove tracks.